In this video we are talking about if VeChain can continue the bullish explosion or if we see a retracement to lower levels. As you can see, VeChain has a bullish momentum to the upside right now, and now we are in this very interesting area. From the supply zone we saw this move to lower levels, so technically this supply zone is very strong and the chance for a reaction is very high, but right now we are breaking the supply zone to the upside. And in the last video I said the chance is very high that we can continue the bullish explosion to the upside, and I said if we are coming back into this demand zone right here, that then the chance is high that we can continue the trend to the upside. I will show another clip from the last video, but as long as we don't break this last low which caused the bullish move, then I think the chance is high that we can see even higher prices. And if you're not in a trade right now, I would wait if we come back into this demand zone, because from this demand zone we saw this push into new highs. So if we are coming back into this demand zone and if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would search for long entries right here, then enter a trade and hodl it into the next highs. And as you can see, we came back into this demand zone, and as you can see, we directly saw a reaction to the upside and then continued the trend to the upside. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on VeChain. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like VeChain, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. And for me, this is a very bullish sign because we are trending to the upside and we are making higher lows all the way and higher highs. And now it's very important that we are breaking this last high to the upside, because if we see a wick like this over the last high and the body close under this last high, then the chance is also high that we see a reaction to the downside again, because over the last highs there's much liquidity, and if we are just grabbing the liquidity with this wick, the chance is high that we can see a move to the opposite direction. But if we are breaking again to the upside and see a body close over this last high, then I think the chance is high that we see even higher prices. And as we go on the weekly time frame, it's also very important that we are breaking this last highs right here. And if we are breaking this highs to the upside with a daily or weekly body close, then the chance is extremely high that we see a massive explosion for VeChain. And I think the chance is high that we see even higher prices right now, because as I said, we are seeing this bullish trend, and as long as we don't break this last lows to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we can continue the bullish trend. But if we are breaking this last highs with a daily or weekly body close, then I think the chance is high that we see even lower prices again for VeChain. But if anything interesting happens for VeChain, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on VeChain. So all in all, we are seeing this massive bullish momentum for VeChain, and we continued the bullish trend and retested this demand zone and continued the trend. And we firstly broke this supply zone to the upside. But right now you can see just with a wick, and right now we will see if the liquidity is enough to move the prices to the opposite direction. But if we can break this high to the upside again, then I think the chance is high that we will see higher prices. And if we are also breaking this last highs here on the weekly time frame, then I think the chance is high that we see a massive explosion for VeChain. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.